Mix well. So now we have to simmer our vegetables until it gets cooked. Cover this, but make sure we have to check in between. Otherwise, our vegetables will get burned. So this is done. Chapati is done. So I made 4 chapatis. So now let's just cook this one. So now good morning guys, and happy Tuesday to everyone. So today for our lunch I'm gonna make a stir fry vegetables, but this is an Indian style. So we will be needing 2 vegetables. So I have here, this is the snow peas. I have cut into strips, and I have here it comes in a small packet. So I have here 1 packet of this. I don't know, maybe it's around 150 grams, something like that. And this one I have 2 small potatoes, and I have cut into strips. We will be using also curry leaves. I have few of this, and I have 2 of green chilies, and I have 1 chopped onion. As well as we will be needing 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and also Indian spices. This recipe is very easy. For me it is very simple. We'll have it along with chapatis. So join with me and let's get started. So I have here a wok. Oil is inside and it's heated up. So it's ready to throw our ingredients. So first, we will putting our cumin seeds. This is just like about half teaspoon of this. And next to this, we'll have to throw our curry leaves, followed by green chilies and onion. So first we have to saute our onion until it gets translucent or brown. It is about like 2 minutes. And on here, now it's time to throw our 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And now we have to put our Indian spices. First, we're gonna put our red chili, which is half a teaspoon, and half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of gramasala, and half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of cumin powder. Then let's just saute this for a few seconds. Just a few seconds. We don't want our masala will get burned. So just a few seconds will be good enough. And now we can dump our vegetables. First, we have to do our potato. And just saute this. because potato needs a little time to cook compared to the snow peas. So we just have to saute this like for about 1 to 2 minutes before we dump our snow peas vegetables. So since this is a dried vegetables, so we just have to sprinkle a little of water just to prevent from burning down. Not too much, just a sprinkle of water. So to keep the pan moisturized so it doesn't directly burn our potato. And now just this for a couple of minutes. And now this time we can throw our snow peas. Mix well. So now we have to simmer our vegetables until it gets cooked. Cover this, but make sure we have to check in between, otherwise our vegetables will get burned.
Okay, so while our vegetables is cooking, let's just make chapatis. So this is done.
Chapati is done. So I made 4 chapatis. So now let's just cook this one. So now let's check our vegetables. So this is okay now. Vegetables is cooked. And now we make our chapati. So guys, we've done our stir-fry vegetables and also the chapati. So I hope you have learned something new today for an Indian dish. This is very simple. So now let's do the plating. So here comes. See, look at that food. Very healthy and budget friendly.
And guys, I forgot.
So very nice.
And guys, I forgot. Sorry about that because I'm wearing a clothes thing, so I don't get them because I'm painting.
She's doing painting because she told me, Mama, I'm so bored. So, okay, you do some painting. So now she's doing some paintings.
And we are artists, guys. I'm doing a very good job. I'll take a picture and send it to you.
Okay.
And everyone. And Lola, I just do.
What's the name of your Lula?
Monica.
Monica who? Monica?
Monica Furtado.